Why should I add Schema Markup to my website? Schema Markup can help you obtain more space on the search results page by showcasing more knowledge, which is more captivating than a normal search result. Why do marketing efforts require Schema Markup? Schema Markup alerts search engines clearly what the content of a website is attempting to convey. It converts unstructured information into structured information. Adding schema will improve the search engine's ability to crawl the site, thereby increasing the website's rankings while taking other aspects of search engine optimization into account.